Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the headset to at least 50% because low battery can block pairing. Once done, go to your Ps4 settings, open devices, then Bluetooth devices so the console is actively scanning. Next, put your Beat Solo 4 into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED flashes. Doing these steps in sequence ensures the Ps4 can detect the headset quickly and reduces failed pairing attempts. You now complete the pairing and set audio routing so sound goes where you expect. After the Ps4 finds Beat Solo 4 in the Bluetooth list, select it and confirm the connection. Speedy selection prevents timeout. Then navigate to Sound and Screen, open Audio Output settings, and set Output device to your headset. Make sure to choose Output to headphones, all audio so both game and chat come through. This guarantees consistent audio and prevents the Ps4 from sending sound. You finish by verifying audio and knowing a quick fix. Test with gameplay or party chat and tweak volume both on the Ps4 and the headset for balance. If you notice lag or dropouts, make sure you're within range and remove nearby too. 4 GHz interference. If problems persist, unpair and pair again to reset the Bluetooth link. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the Beats by holding power plus volume down for about 10 seconds. That usually clears stubborn connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.